Good morning, my dear children. Get ready for the class. We are doing we completed factorization. Now I am going to new chapter, that is simultaneous equations in two variables. In one variable means x, y, z, a, b, c like. Two variables two x, y, z, a, b, m, n like that. Any two letters. In linear equations, in one variable, 4x plus 3, here one variable, 5a plus 7, here one variable. So writing in one variable, only one, that is linear equation. Why we say this is a linear equation? Linear equation means we can draw a line on the graph. By taking coordinates, we can draw a line. So it is called linear equations in one variable, linear equations in two variables. In two variables, adding the same number, subtracting two, it is a in two variables. Equations are like that. Three x minus two y equal to 19, and 4x plus y is equal to 18. These are the two linear equations in two variables. Two variables meaning is x, y. Here x, y. There are two equations are given. We get two lines. They are intersecting lines. They are intersecting on the graph. This, if we draw graphs, we get a one line for the first equation. For the second equation, we get it. So both are intersecting. This point of intersecting is solution. The value of x and value of y. That is the solution set. In this equation, in this exercise, we have to solve the equation. Solve the equations means we have to find the unknown variables, x value and y value. There are two methods, but in this chapter now we are getting one. I am explaining only one method first. First one is elimination method. Elimination method. Solve means find the value of x and y. By the method of elimination method. Elimination method. We have to eliminate either x or y. We can eliminate any either x or y. Second, substitution method. Third, graphical method. Matrix method. But there are so many methods. But now we are learning solve the linear equations by elimination method. How to solve? How to find x and y? Now I will explain. And second, 3x minus 5y is equal to 14. 2x minus 7y is equal to 2. Okay. See how to find the value, how to solve. Solve meaning is we have to find the values of variables. Find the values of x and y, m and n, a and b. Okay. Now, first problem. Example 11x minus 8y solve. 11x minus 8y is equal to 27. 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 7. How to solve? How to eliminate? This is elimination method. I want to eliminate x terms, and we can also eliminate y terms. Here the coefficient of x is 11, coefficient of x is 3. This is first equation and this is second equation. First equation is multiplied by 3, it becomes 33. Second equation is multiplied by 11, because coefficient is 11. 3 11s are 33. Then both are equal, then we can eliminate. Now, multiplying first equation by 3 and second equation by 11. See, 3 of 11x minus 8y is equal to 27, and 11 of 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 7. Multiply first equation by 3, second equation by 11, because they are coefficients. Interchange the coefficients. Now this is 33x minus 24y is equal to 27 3s are 81. 11 3s are 33x plus 55y is equal to minus 77. So minus plus, subtracting, because both are plus. To eliminate, we have to subtract. In subtraction, we have to change the signs. Now, both are minus 79y is equal to 850. Then y is equal to 158 by minus 79. Ones are, twos are going. Minus is there, minus 2 will come. Substitute y value in equation 1. Then we get x value. Substitute y value in equation 1. What is 1? 11x minus 8y is equal to 27. 11x 8y minus 2 is equal to 27. Now 11x plus 16 is equal to 27. 11x is equal to 27 minus 16. 11x is equal to 11. X is equal to 11 by 11. X is equal to 1. So we get two values. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2. Check the result. check. Checking. Take second equation. Check the result. Checking. 3x plus 5y equal to minus 7 result. X value 1, y value minus 2. So plus 3 minus 10 is minus 7. Here also RHS also minus 7. Both are minus 7. So the values are true. Like that, we have to check the results. Like this. Go down and try the second problem. Second problem. Second problem. Second, solve second equation. 3x minus 2y equal to 19. 4x plus y equal to 80. Here by elimination method. Okay. Say this is first equation. This is second equation. Here first equation coefficient is 3, x coefficient is 3. In the second equation x coefficient is 4. To make equal terms, multiply first equation by 4 and second equation by 3. 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. So the terms are made equal. So, multiply first equation by 4 and second equation by 3. Now 4 of 3x minus 2y is equal to 19 and second equation 4x plus y is equal to 18. Multiply 4 3s are 12x, 4 2s are 8y, 4 19s are 76, 94s are 76, 3 4s are 12x, 3y is equal to 54. Subtract. So minus. both the terms are plus, so we have to subtract it. Now both are minus 8 to minus 3y minus 11y is equal to 6 minus 4 to 7 minus 5 to minus 11y is equal to plus 22. Then y is equal to minus 22 by minus 11. Y is equal to minus 2. 11 1 11 2. Substitute y value in equation 2. What is that 2? 4x plus y equal to 18. Y value is minus 2 is equal to 18. 4x is equal to 18 plus 2. 4x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 by 4. X is equal to 5. So the values we get, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. Now check the result. Check it. Take second equation. 4x plus y is equal to 18. X value 5 and y value minus 2 is equal to 18. 20 minus 2 equal to 8. 18 is equal to 8. So, like that, we have to check the result also. In the exercise solve if solve x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 3. Here the coefficients are same. Here the coefficients are the same. We need not multiply by other coefficients. Because coefficients are same, we can add by adding, we can eliminate y. Adding plus y minus y cancel. Then 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 4. Substitute x value in equation 2. What is that 2? X minus y is equal to 3. X value is 4. 4 minus y is equal to 3. Minus y is equal to 3 minus 4. Minus y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1. The solution set x equal to 4 and y equal to 1. Now check. Now what is check? Check is equal to x minus y is equal to 3. X value is 4 and y value is 1 equal to 3. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 3 equal to 3. This is true. Like this we have to check. And first question given 5k is a solution. 5k is a solution of the equation 2x plus y is equal to minus 7. 5k minus 7 is equal to 0. Find k. First, this is the overall answer. When it is a solution of this equation, substitute, we get k value. X value is 5, y value is k. Substituting x equal to 5 and y equal to k. And y equal to k. And then 2x into x is 5 and y plus k minus 7 is equal to 0. 10 plus k minus 7 is 0. 10 k plus 3 equal to 0. K equal to minus 3. Right. We have to substitute the values, then find the value. So similarly, let us do other problems like this. Right.